Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural beauty with one incredible ingredient, apple cider vinegar. It's not just for salads, it's packed with surprising beauty benefits. So grab a notebook, because you'll want to jot these down for your next home remedy. Benefit number 1, clear skin. First up, let's talk about clear skin. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that can help fight acne. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water and use it as a toner. Just apply it with a cotton ball, and you're on your way to clearer skin. Benefit number 2, natural hair rinse. Next, let's shine a light on your hair. Apple cider vinegar can help remove product buildup and enhance shine. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. Your hair will thank you. And benefit number 3, dandruff fighter. Struggling with dandruff? Apple cider vinegar can balance the pH of your scalp, reducing flakiness. Just mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water, massage it into your scalp, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then wash it out. And benefit number 4, brighten teeth. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can help brighten your smile? Dilute it with water, swish it around for a few seconds, and then brush your teeth. Just be cautious, don't overdo it, as it can erode enamel. So, benefit number 5, soothe sunburns. Got a sunburn? Apple cider vinegar can help soothe your skin. Mix it with water in a spray bottle and spritz it onto the affected areas. It helps reduce redness and inflammation. And benefit number 6, DIY face mask. Next up, let's make a simple DIY face mask. Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse for a hydrating and brightening boost. And benefit number 7, pore minimizer. Want to minimize those pores? Use apple cider vinegar as a toner. Its astringent properties can help tighten skin and reduce the appearance of pores. Just remember to moisturize afterward. Benefit number 8, eliminate body odor. Apple cider vinegar can also help combat body odor. Mix it with water in a spray bottle and use it as a natural deodorant. The antibacterial properties help neutralize odors without harsh chemicals. For those looking to reduce the appearance of cellulite, apple cider vinegar can help. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water, apply it to the affected areas, and massage it in. Regular use can improve skin texture over time. And benefit number 10, natural facial exfoliant. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar can serve as a natural exfoliant. Mix it with sugar for a quick scrub that removes dead skin cells, leaving you with a fresh glow. And there you have it, 10 surprising beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar. Which one are you excited to try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home remedies and beauty tips. See you next time!